Hey guys, so I'm here to answer your fitness related doubts. Let me know if you have any questions, any queries, and I'll try my level best to help you out. ठीक है? अरे कहाँ गए सब? कोई दिख क्यों नहीं रहा? Alright, hi. Welcome. आइए, वनक्कम. Welcome. Let me know if you have any fitness related questions and I'll try my best to help you out. Hi, कैसे हो? I am doing good. So I'm waiting for the questions. You want to ask me? You don't want to ask me. Ask me not. How to and here's the first question, my favorite question. How to reduce belly fat? If you want to reduce belly fat, then please go to youtube.com/sapnavys. That is youtube.com/sapnavys, because I have made a video about how to reduce belly fat, and if you watch it, it will really help you out. After watching that video, if you have any question, any queries, please let me know. I'll love to help you. Hi, you're my biggest inspiration. Keep working and motivating us. Thank you so much. You inspire me. People like you motivate me. You inspire me to do good. And I'm happy that I'm able to bring a little bit of smile on your face and do something positive in your life. What would be the food to consume during summer to maintain weight? First of all, you have to create a calorie deficit. So समर का स्पेशल फूड नहीं होता है. ओनली थिंग इज दैट इट्स समर, सो कीप अवे फ्रॉम मैंगोज. यू कैन हैव 1 or 2 mangoes, but I have seen people really hogging. Some people, I'm not finger pointing on anyone, but there are some people who love mangoes like crazy and they eat a lot and then they become more golu molu. So keep away. You can have 1 or 2, but don't go overboard. Okay. बेली फैट. आप फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपका बेली MRF का है. कैसा है आपके पास टायर? जिसका जैसा भी टायर है मेरे पास उसका इलाज है. प्लीज गो टू youtube.com/sapnavys. आई हैव आंसर्ड दिस क्वेश्चन इन डिटेल. आफ्टर वॉचिंग द वीडियो अगर आपको फिर भी कोई डाउट है, क्वेरी है, तो प्लीज लेट मी नो. Radhika, I do yoga for 1 hour. Is it enough? Is this equally effective for weight loss? See, Radhika, I'll suggest you something. Along with yoga, you please do cardio, because when you do steady state cardio, it helps you burn. It puts you in a fat burning zone and helps you burn calories. So if you do yoga, great, but you should be doing cardio. And I would suggest that once you get used to cardio, then you do strength training exercises as well. That is going to the gym and lifting weights. That will be really effective. If you are doing yoga, there are some people who do yoga. The only thing they do is shavasana. I'm not saying, Radhika, you're doing it, but if you do other things, other asanas, then that's great. But please do cardio and do strength training. Yoga can be an add-on, but don't completely rely on yoga. Hi, please advise how much water should we drink every day. Now, how much water you need per day depends on the place you are, depends on your gender, depends on your lifestyle. It depends on a lot of things, but as a thumb rule, you should be having at least 3 liters of water every single day. I am very busy. Oh, even I am very busy. And oh my, I love the question. I'm very busy. Please give me a short and sweet schedule. ऐसे शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट शेड्यूल्स के लिए मैं बहुत तरसी हूँ, पर फ्रेंकली ऐसा कोई होता नहीं है. आपको यू हैव टू रियली get off your butt and keep moving. So basically you have to move. But if you are so busy, understand one thing, that what are you busy for? Ultimately you are busy for making more money, for investing in the right thing. So when you invest in a land or a property, in the same way, gold, in the same way, this is the best gold. Your body is the best gold, best property. So please make the right investment of your time at the right place. Please find time to work out. You are not doing anybody any good, you are doing yourself good. So you have to give at least 1 hour for yourself every single day, no matter how busy you are. थोड़ा WhatsApp check करना कम कर दो तो टाइम मिल जाएगा. Hey Sapna, nice to see you. I lost 26 kg thanks to you. See Jay, it's because of your hard work, your dedication, your discipline, your sacrifices that you have made to reduce weight. So the credit completely goes to you. It's kind of you that you are giving me a little bit of credit, but I appreciate the efforts that you have been doing. So all the best. Okay, I got pain in my knee after 30 minutes of treadmill. See, you might not be working out earlier, and that's one of the reasons. You might not have taken enough rest. That can be also the reason. You might not be having enough protein and calcium, so that can also be a reason. So please find out which is the right reason that you are getting knee pain. And see, any new thing that you do, usually, like, you know, if you started swimming or strength training exercises, in the initial days your body takes a little time to adjust. So little pain is okay, but if that pain is really hindering your regular lifestyle, then that is a problem. But little pain is okay. Which protein is the best? Now there is nothing called which is the best protein, as in you are asking me about the supplement, or you are talking about protein sources. If you're talking about protein sources, then if you're vegetarian, whey protein is good, dal, beans, milk products, then nuts, almonds, but little quantity. All these are good source of protein if you are a vegetarian. If you are a non-vegetarian, तो problem नहीं है. Go for chicken, lot of chicken and fish. हम आपसे बात करना चाहते हैं तो करो, किसने रोका है? How many? What? Okay, lost weight after accident. How should I start off again from the basic or intermediate level? No, go slow. Always see, if you have not worked out, you have to go slow. First, build up a little strength, stamina. I will suggest that do swimming. Start with swimming first, and then do strength training and walking. Please advise. I want. आज मैंगो स्मूदी नहीं है. नहीं, एवरीडे में मैंगो स्मूदी खाएगा, फिर मैं आपसे एडवाइस लेगा. टेल मी हाउ टू रिड्यूस वेट. इसलिए आज नो मैंगो स्मूदी. वो खाएगा नहीं, अपनी पिएगा होता है, वरना somebody will improve me in that also. अपनी जनता का प्रॉब्लम यही है. They will not focus on the Q&A. They will focus on my Hindi. It's खाएगा नहीं, खाएगी. You are a girl. So tell like that. Okay, bhai, I improved. I've lost 35 kg in 4 months. That's great. Kudos. Congratulations and celebrations. But don't eat, otherwise you will become Motu again. Okay, in the first week of our gym workout, we feel a lot of pain. In your workout, not we. we don't feel pain, you feel pain in our body. How can we release that pain? See, first of all, okay, I want to say something. Statutory warning, right? See, when I'm whatever jokes I'm pulling either on me or on you, they are just on a lighter note. So please don't feel bad. I'm sorry if I hurt your sentiments. So please don't feel bad if I'm pulling your leg, because that's how I interact even in my normal life. Okay, so if you feel a little pain, it's okay, because any new activity will cause you a little pain. That's completely fine. But please watch your protein intake. Please take, you can do self massage. That will really help you out. So do that. Do that. Morning, what should I eat for fitness? Now, when you say morning, what should I eat for fitness? I assume you are going for morning workout. So don't go on an empty stomach. Either have a whey or BCAA or something, a mango shake or a banana shake, something, and then go for workout. That's what you should be doing. Read my comment too. Okay, I read your comment. Give me a medal. Okay guys, I'm going to be live every single day on Facebook, answering on YouTube as well. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/sapnavyas. That is youtube.com/sapnavyas. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, or else, bolo, or else I want you in your dreams. So I hope I was able to help you out a little bit today. I'm going to be live every single day to answer your fitness related questions. I'm sorry if I was not able to answer all your questions, because when I'm talking I tend to miss out on certain questions, but I will get back to you tomorrow. So keep your questions ready and we will talk tomorrow. All right, see you. Bye. Yeah, stay out. Oh, bye.